I see lots of demos in the internet using Opuntia as a rootstock. Some use prickly pears, bunny ears, and some other Opuntia family cactus. Some also use Pereskiopsis, maybe because it's easy to graft on them, which is great for beginners. In this video, we will compare these two, which is better. Our scion will be moon cactus, and we will use these two babies in our experiment. This is an Opuntia elata. We will use this as rootstock in this first graft. Warning: use gloves when handling these. Cut to expose the ring of vascular bundles in our rootstock. Also, cut about 1/3 of our scion to expose the ring of vascular bundles. These two rings should overlap to have a successful graft. You should select a scion that is almost similar in size with the base. Doing so will increase success of graft. Use Pereskiopsis as glue and spread on both rootstock and scion. Stick them firmly to remove air pockets in between them. As I've mentioned earlier, the top portion is the scion, while the base is the rootstock. And we're done in our Opuntia graft. Let's proceed with our Pereskiopsis graft. Warning: use gloves when handling these. The thorns are very hard and very thin that can get into your skin easily. I normally cut and leave the base about 4 to 6 inches in height. We will use the smaller scion in this Pereskiopsis since it is also smaller. Again, these are the rings of vascular bundles, and they should overlap when we stick them. These rings are like their blood vessel that brings in nutrients essential to life. Again, let's use Pereskiopsis leaves as glue. Spread out on both scion and rootstock. Stick and press firmly to remove air pockets. This time, our base or rootstock is a Pereskiopsis, while our scion is moon cactus. Our aim here is for both scion and rootstock to dry as one. As I've mentioned earlier, the top portion is the scion, while the base is the rootstock. Let's cover them to maintain moisture. This will ensure they will stick together and heal together. I make it a practice not to waste any, so I pat these cuttings. Both Pereskiopsis and even this small Opuntia elata. After a month, they will both have good roots, and in few months, they will grow bigger and you can propagate more. We will post the update after a few weeks, and let's find out which of these two rootstocks is better, especially for beginners. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy succulents gardening!